Happy Sunday, you guys. So we are back at CVS for a new 2-week ad. This 2-week ad is the Epic Beauty Sale for fall. So everyone got a 10 off 30 beauty and personal care coupon if you check your CVS app. We got it on August 16th, today, the day I'm filming on Sunday, and then it's going to reset again on Sunday, August 23rd, next Sunday. So you can do the deal this week and then you can do it again next week when that coupon resets. So I'm going to go over all the different beauty and personal care deals that I think are good to combine with that 10 off 30 coupon. And then what I'd recommend doing is putting together a scenario that's customized for you for what you need or your family needs, or things that you're low on, things that we don't normally get maybe for free and cheap. So rather than doing like a free or moneymaker scenario, you may want to do a scenario that's customized to you, grabbing some things like body wash, more expensive body wash, makeup items that are not always free or cheap, because we always get deals on like Axe body wash and deodorant and things like that, but maybe we don't always get deals on like Dove body wash or something that you actually need and use every single day that's a little bit more expensive. So think about that and put together a customized scenario for you. I will be going through a few 10 off 30 CRT scenarios that I put together, like one's for body wash, one's for makeup, one is like really low out of pocket, one is a moneymaker deal with an Activate Rewards rebate. So I will be going through all that, but again, I just recommend you putting together your own scenario with stuff that you need. We're going to go over all different beauty and personal care deals that we can pair in with the 10 off 30 CRT. So first we have Eco Tools and Real Techniques that are spend $20 and you're going to earn back $10 in extra bucks. You can mix and match brushes and sponges. And then we also have Kiss Lashes. These are the cheapest ones at my store at $4.99 each, and they are buy two and you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks, making two pairs just $4.98. Getting into our first 10 off 30 scenario this week, this one's for makeup and lashes. We can grab an EcoTools brush set for $13.99, an EcoTools sponge for $6.19, and two of the Kiss lashes at $4.99 each, totaling $30.16. We would use our 10 off 30 CRT and pay $20.16, get back $10 in extra bucks for the EcoTools and $5 for buying two Kiss lashes, making our final cost for all four items just $5.16. Heads up that our Dell lashes are buy one and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So if you can find the ones at your store that are $4.99, that would make one just $1.99 after the $3 in extra bucks back. We do have a $5 digital coupon for L'Oreal facial care. It does work on the cleansers that are $9.49 and $9.99. So if you did want to use that coupon on these, that would be great to pair in with the 10 off 30 CRT. The Garnier facial care is buy one, get one 50% off, buy two, and you get back $6 in extra bucks. So you can grab two of the Garnier Micellar cleansers at $9.29 each, totaling $13.93, and use a 2 off 10 Garnier CRT and a $3 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.93, get back $6 in extra bucks, making two of them just $2.93. Or a cheaper scenario is grabbing two of the scrubs at $8.29, totaling $12.43. Use that 2 off 10 CRT and the $3 digital coupon. You'd pay $7.43, get back $6 in extra bucks, making two of these just $1.43. Aveeno facial care is spend $25 and you get back $10 in extra bucks. So I'm going to show you guys a 10 off 30 scenario, grabbing the moisturizer for $12.99 and pairing it with this scrub for $12.99. We have a $5 digital for the moisturizer and a $3 for the cleanser. So with the 10 off 30 CRT would be a great deal paired with the Neutrogena acne patches that are $10.49. We have a $3.50 digital coupon and they're spend 10, you get back $5 in extra bucks. So alone with the coupon and extra buck, that would make one of the patches just $1.99. But what we're going to do is pair together the scrub and the moisturizer with the acne patches. So again, the scrub and the cleanser are both $12.99 each, and then the patches are $10.49. So these three would total $36.47. We can use our 10 off 30 CRT, and then we have the $5 digital coupon for the Aveeno moisturizer and the $3 for the Aveeno cleanser, and then the $3.50 digital coupon for the Neutrogena patches. So we'd be left to pay $14.97. We're getting back $10 in extra bucks for the Aveeno deal for spend 25 get 10, and $5 for the spend 10 get 5 deal for the Neutrogena acne products. That already makes this free, but it gets even better because on activaterewards.com/back-to-school we have a rebate for when we spend $30 before coupons on select products including Aveeno and Neutrogena. We're going to get back a $10 Visa virtual card to our email. So taking that into consideration, that would make these three products free plus a $10.03 moneymaker. I will have that Activate Rewards rebate linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comments so you can submit for it. Another way that you can do the 10 off 30 CRT scenario with the Activate Rewards is grabbing 2 of the 2-packs of the Neutrogena makeup wipes that are $12.79 each. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon for Neutrogena wipes that works on these, and Neutrogena facial care is also spend $25 and you get back $10 in extra bucks, just like the Aveeno. My store only had 1 of the Neutrogena 2-packs, but imagine there's 2 here for this 10 off 30 scenario. So grabbing 2 of those at $12.79 each and the acne patches at $10.49 totals $36.07. Using the 10 off 30 CRT for beauty and personal care and the 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Neutrogena wipes and the $3.50 digital coupon for Neutrogena acne, we'd be left to pay $18.57. We get back $10 in extra bucks for spending $25 on Neutrogena and $5 in extra bucks for the Neutrogena acne. So that'd make our final cost $3.57, but then again, we're submitting for the Activate Rewards rebate on activaterewards.com/back-to-school for spend 30 before coupons, and we get back a $10 Visa card. So that would make these 3 items, the 2 packs of wipes and the patches, free plus a $6.43 moneymaker. Another way that you can use your 4 off 2 Neutrogena wipe coupon is on the 21 count wipes that are located in the Neutrogena makeup section. It has to be the 21 count, not the 25 count in the facial care aisle. So these are $6.29 each and spend 12 before coupons and you're going to get back $6 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 would total $12.58. We have that 4 off 2 digital coupon that you can use on these. You'd pay $8.58, get back $6 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $2.58, or of course cheaper when paired in with the 10 off 30 beauty and personal care CRT. If your store carries it, another way that you can use the 4 off 2 Neutrogena wipes coupon is grabbing 2 of these sun care Neutrogena wipes at $6.99 each. They're buy one get one 50% off and buy 2 and you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. So 2 would total $10.48. We have that 4 off 2 digital coupon that's working. You'd pay $6.48, and get back $5 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $1.48. Okay, if you need L'Oreal Elvive, there's a decent deal this week. They're on sale for $5.49 each and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. Grabbing 2, you can use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $7.98, get back $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $4.98 or cheaper paired in with the 10 off 30 beauty and personal care CRT. Heads up, if you need Dove body wash, they are spend $15 and you get back $3 in extra bucks, and we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So if you wanted to pair that in with your 10 off 30 CRT, you could. It'd be a decent deal. And FYI, if you like Vaseline products, they're spend $15, get 4, and we have a $2 digital coupon in case you wanted to pair that deal in with the 10 off 30 CRT. Next, I want to show you guys a body wash scenario for the 10 off 30 CRT. We have Aveeno body wash that are $11.49 at my store. Buy one, get one 40% off, and buy 2 and you get back $5 in extra bucks. And we do have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. And then we have Axe body wash that are $6.29 at my store. Buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. And we did just get a 5 off 2 digital coupon for these. With my store's prices, these 4 body wash would total $30.96. You can use the 10 off 30 CRT, the 5 off 2 for the Aveeno body wash, and 5 off 2 for the Axe body wash. So that would leave you to pay $10.96, and then you get back a total of $7 in extra bucks, making your final cost $3.96. Palmer's lotion is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $6 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 of the lotion at $7.79 would total $11.68. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so you'd pay $10.16, get back your $6 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $4.18. Axe deodorant is buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. At my store, they're $6.99 each. So you can grab 2 totaling $13.98 and use an 8 off 2 digital coupon that we just got. So you'd pay $5.98, and after the $2 in extra bucks back, it would make 2 of them just $3.98, or of course cheaper when paired in with a 10 off 30 CRT. The Tom's & Main toothpaste is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. At my store, they are priced pretty high at $7.99 each, so 2 of them would total $11.98. And we do have an 8 off 2 digital coupon that is working on these. So you pay $3.98, get back the $4 in extra bucks, making 2 of them completely free. But if your store has them cheaper, it would be a moneymaker deal, plus this can be paired in with the 10 off 30 CRT. If you prefer Colgate toothpaste, the more expensive ones are on sale for 2 for $12, and the 8 off 2 digital coupon is also attaching to these. So that would make 2 of them just $4 or $2 each. Of course, they can also be paired in with the 10 off 30 CRT. We have the Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrushes and Scope mouthwash that are $3.99 each, and buy 3 and you get back $5 in extra bucks, and we do have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. With that coupon, you'd be left to pay $6.97, and after getting back the $5 in extra bucks, it would make all 3 just $1.97. So this is our scenario that I came up with. It's the cheapest, biggest moneymaker scenario for the 10 off 30 CRT in case you're looking for a free plus a moneymaker scenario. outside of the Activate Rewards rebate. So just straight up with coupons and extra bucks back, the biggest moneymaker scenario that I came up with for this week. So what we'd be grabbing is 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. You could also grab 3 of the Crest toothpaste or the Scope mouthwash at $3.99 each, and then 2 of the Tom's toothpaste at my store. They're $7.99 each, and buy one get one 50% off, and then 1 of the Neutrogena acne patches that are $10.49 each. So everything totals $34.44. We'd use our 10 off 30 CRT, the 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Oral-B, and the Crest, and of course the Scope as well, depending on what you grab. The 8 off 2 for the Tom's toothpaste, and the $3.50 for the Neutrogena. That will leave us to pay $7.94, and then we're going to earn back a total of $14 in extra bucks for these 3 deals, making everything a $6.05 moneymaker. The Act Kids mouthwash is buy 2 and you get back $7 in extra bucks, and we do have a $1 digital coupon. So for 2 of these, you'd pay $10.98, get back $7 in extra bucks, making both of them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. CoverGirl Cosmetics are spend $10 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab one of the True Blend concealers. These are my favorite concealer, the ones I use every single day. And we have a $3 digital coupon that we can use. So you'd pay $7.99, get back the $3 in extra bucks, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $4 back. And that would make one of these just 99 cents. That is an amazing deal. Definitely try this. Pick this up if you've not already tried it. It is an amazing concealer. And I will have Ibotta linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment. If you're not already signed up, you definitely need Ibotta for couponing deals. If you sign up with that link, you'll get a $5 bonus. For this CoverGirl deal, you can grab any item that's priced $10 or more, like this BB cream at $10.29. So you can pick anything you want, an eye product or a face product, as long as it's $10 or more and it's attaching to the digital coupon and the Ibotta rebate. If you like NYX Cosmetics, they are buy 2 and you get back $6 in extra bucks. So for example, you can grab 2 of the lip liners. I love these. These are $5.99 each. 2 of them would be just $5.98 after the $6 in extra bucks back. Ajax dish liquid is buy 1 get 1 40% off, and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of them at $3.49, totaling $5.58, and we do have a $2.50 off of 2 digital coupon that leave you to pay $3.08. Getting back your $2 in extra bucks would make both of these just $1.08. Next, getting into a spend $30 and you get back $10 in extra bucks on laundry and home care products. So first, we can grab one of the Tide liquid at $12.99, one of the Tide pods at $5.49, one of the Febreze bathrooms at $6.49 for the 2-pack, and then one of the Dawn dish liquid for $5.99. So these 4 items would total $30.96. We have a $3 coupon for the Tide liquid, a $1 for the Tide pods, a $3 for the Febreze bathroom, and a $2 for the Dawn dish liquid. That leave us to pay $21.96. We'll get back $10 in extra bucks for spending $30 before coupons, making all 4 laundry and home care products just $11.96. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each this week, so grab 2 totaling $3.98 and use $1 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $2.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 boxes, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. And make sure to check Fetch, because Fetch has lots of different points back offers for General Mills cereal. I will have Fetch linked in the description box down below if you don't already have it, for a $2 bonus. Okay, so I'm back home and I did 5 transactions today. I did 4 rolling transactions on one card, and then I also did a 10 off 30 scenario on a second card. So for my first card, I started off with the 10 off 30 CRT, of course. So I did the Oral-B toothbrushes, the Tom's toothpaste. My store did have the Tom's price super high. I think they can be as cheap as $6.89 in some stores, so definitely would be a better deal depending on your store's pricing. And then the Neutrogena acne patches. So I used my 8 off 2 for the Tom's, the 5 off 3 for the Crest, and then the $3.50 for the Neutrogena, plus my 10 off 30. Paid $7.94 and then got back $14 in extra bucks. It was $5 for the Oral-B, $5 for the Neutrogena, and then $4 for the Tom's. So paid $7.94, got back $14. Obviously, that's a huge moneymaker. And then I'm rolling those $14 in extra bucks into my second transaction. I really wanted to make my rolling transaction worthwhile with a bunch of really good stuff in it. So I decided to do a spend 30, get 10 deal on laundry, grabbing a Febreze bathroom 2-pack, Tide liquid for $12.99, Tide pods, it was a small pack, and then the Dawn Squeeze dish liquid. So I used my $3 for the Febreze, for the Tide, $2 for the Dawn, and $1 for the Tide pods. And then I rolled my $14 in extra bucks from transaction 1, paid $7.96 out of pocket, got back $10 in extra bucks to roll into my third transaction. Okay, in this transaction, I did the Ajax and then the CoverGirl deal. So my $3 for the CoverGirl came off, $2.50 for the Ajax, and then I used my $10 in extra bucks to pay. Paid $1.07 out of pocket and then got back $5 in extra bucks. It was $3 for the CoverGirl for spend 10, get 3, and then $2 for buying 2 of the Ajax. Plus I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $4 for the CoverGirl deal. So got back the $5 in extra bucks and the $4 on Ibotta. That is true cash back. And then for my last rolling extra bucks transaction, I rolled those $5 in extra bucks into grabbing 3 of the General Mills cereal. Used my dollar off 2 digital coupon, paid nothing using those $5 in extra bucks from transaction 3 to pay. And then I got back $1 on Ibotta for buying 2 General Mills cereal. So in total for all 4 of these transactions, I paid, I believe it was $16.96. And then got back $5 cash back from Ibotta, making my final cost for over $115 worth of stuff from these 4 transactions just $11.96, I think it was. So it was like less than $12 for over $115 worth of stuff. That's amazing. Okay, then I wanted to film a video for my short form for grabbing things I actually need using my 10 off 30 coupon. And this all is stuff I actually needed. So and I did want to show true out of pocket. So I did pay cash, even though I did have extra bucks to use on this account. I wanted to show like what you would truly spend and then what extra bucks that you would get back for this short form video that I'm filming for posting on my short form platforms. So I used my 10 off 30 and then I grabbed the L'Oreal Elvive that I needed. This is the shampoo I've been using lately, is the L'Oreal Elvive Glycolic Gloss. I like this one and I like the Volume Purple one. Both of them are my go-tos. And then I grabbed 2 of the Kiss lashes for $4.99 and then the Neutrogena towelettes, the 21 count in the makeup section. So use my 4 off 2 for the Neutrogena, the $3 for the L'Oreal Elvive, and then the 10 off 30. So paid $16.54 out of pocket. Of course, you could use extra bucks to pay that down, and then got back a total of $14 in extra bucks. So spent $16.54, got back $14, making this transaction just a net cost of $2.54, which is really amazing for getting 2 Elvive that are not cheap, and we don't even get those for free ever anymore. 2 pairs of Kiss lashes and 2 packs of Neutrogena wipes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video with this 10 off 30 beauty and personal care coupon for the Epic Beauty Sale. Let me know I'm curious, what are you guys grabbing in your 10 off 30? What are you putting together? Let me know if you did a really good transaction or you have a really good transaction plan, what you're picking up. And if you guys came up with any new ideas that I can try out next week, because I will be posting another YouTube video next week, going over deal updates and just new different things that I think of for using the 10 off 30 coupon. So with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in next week's video.